So I'm here in Costco and they already have the M5 laptops here. The Mac Pro M5 Midnight Blue, which is $1,689 Canadian. It's got M5 chip, 16 gig of RAM. Oh no, it's only 512 SSD, 10 core GPU. Yeah, we need bigger SSD. 512 is too tiny. Oh, this one here. This is the MacBook Pro Space Black. This is the Space Black with a 16 gig of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, 10 core GPU. For only $2,289. I think I'm gonna get this. Yeah, they did the cheaper version, which is the 512. This one is 1 terabyte. This one here is 1 terabyte. Let's see. About M5 16 gigs. M5 chip, folks. This is good. M5 chips. Battery life. Display. This is good. Get up to 24 hours unplugged. This is amazing. So I need one of these. I just have to save $2,889. I need a new laptop. They have different battery now. They have this is the new battery. No more USB-C. This is the new M5 connector battery. And this one here, holy smoke, Mac Mini 4. This is the new Mac Mini 4, which is I need one of these as well. 16 gig 512. It's okay because you can actually just add more storage using NVMe connector, dongle. So they have 16 gig 512. This is what I need. The tiny Mac Mini M4. So we're here at the Apple. I think I'm gonna get one of these. I'm gonna get one of these Mac Mini M4. They're selling 1 ounce of gold bar for $6,779, and the half ounce would be $3,149. They used to be like $2,500. Yeah, now they're $6,000, like 3 times the price of gold now per pound. The sweet apple. Do you know?
That I don't know.
Honeycrisp. Oh, this is a real big apple?
Yeah, this is the big apple. This is Honeycrisp.
And this one here? I don't know which one tastes better.
That I
You don't have Granny Smith?
No.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. So they're selling apples here. Apple trees here. $29.97. Harrison apple. Battle Ford apple. Imagine having this apple in the Philippines. I mean, you can actually see they're selling it $29.97 each tree. And there's also already a fruit. See, they already have a fruit. And it's this is battle for the apple. It's amazing. Evergreens. Nice. Premium annuals. Premium annuals. Dreadsinia. Herbs. Sage, they have sage here. Purple sage. They have mint. Holy smoke, this mint. Tasteful harvest. Peppermint. Spearmint. I like this spearmint. It smells like albahaca. So spearmint is actually albahaca. Holy smoke. The smell of albahaca in the air. Oh, they have the raspberry. Oh, they have strawberry. I think I'm gonna need one of these. I need strawberries. I know, and this one here already have fruits. I should get some of these. $11.97. They have banana plants here. These are good bananas. Anyway, I'm here in Costco. I'm interested of these plants. The strawberry, $11.97 only, and the raspberry, and some really good. Holy, they're only $6.97. Albahaca, spearmint. I want to get one of these now. Spearmint. So this is only $6.97. Holy smoke, $7 total. Holy smoke. So yeah. Got this for $7. So this milk. Okay, we are here in the Home Depot. We're looking at plants here again. You have the fountain, universal fountain here. Okay, we're looking for kale. I like kale. They have spinach. For square pots, something long. So I found the kale here. They actually have kale here. That's what you need. It's easy to grow. The dark version. They have cauliflower. Leeks. There are leeks here. Spinach. Purchase some spinach. So still here at Home Depot. 3 for $10 for burpee herbs. You have sage here. They have cucumber. Basil. $15 for basil. Man, everything's here. Is this? They have blueberries here. This is an amazing place. We're here at Home Depot looking for stuff to buy. Oh, they have Christmas trees here. Early Christmas. Should get one for Christmas. It's like evergreens. Smells like pine. Oh, this one here, $21. $21 for strawberry and raspberry. Peppers, tomatoes, strawberries, $12 for a piece strawberry, 1 gallon. The heck is already have fruits. So we're grabbing these big tomato plants. And another bean. Maybe that's good. This is good enough. A massive and yeah, holy smoke, I need one of these. I want something that's already got fruits. Yeah, it's got fruits already. So we're here, Home Depot. garden center, buying some live plants. We need a collection of live plants. Yeah. Put it inside our car. So we managed to get it home. Nice, huh? And peppers. But I really need to cook. Maybe I'll set it aside for now. This is the beans, batong. This is the strawberry, and this is the massive tomato plant. lamb chops. Caramelized lamb chops. more paprika. Ayan. Really good. So I cook it with the beer, lemonade,